Buy now, pay later. The new payment method sounds like a win-win. Like you can pay later for something without any stress. But there's a catch here. It leads to split payments that can turn simple purchases into debt. And here's what you need to know before clicking that button. Now, what is buy now, pay later? It's a short-term loan you can use for purchases between $50 and $1,000. Retailers partner with fintech and Sezzle to offer these loans. You pay a part of the bill now, the rest in installments. Sometimes these financial services are also advertised as interest-free. But how does it actually work? In BNPL, you pay 25% upfront and the rest comes in 3 to 6 installments. Interest may apply if you miss the deadlines. Late fees can soar up to 36.99%, and yes, late payments can also hurt your credit score. Meanwhile, global BNPL industry is booming. The global BNPL market is expected to reach $80.15 billion by 2023, growing at a CAGR of 27% from 2025 to 2033. Interestingly, around 60% of attendees at Coachella 2025 used a buy now, pay later payment plan to purchase their tickets. Well, Gen Z is the most likely age group to use BNPL services, with 25% of global usage coming from this demographic. But experts have warned about the downside of BNPL. Missed payments can lower your credit score. BNPL doesn't offer the same protections as credit cards. Impulse buying becomes easier. It's not just about luxury items, even takeout and small purchases can add up. So how can you use it responsibly? Well, before using it, ask yourself if you can pay the bill on time, read the terms and conditions carefully, and you can even opt for automatic deduction option to avoid late fees. Though BNPL can be a convenient financing tool, it can quickly turn into debt if you're not careful. Nearly half of users face overspending, missed payments, or regret. Knowing the risk, plan your repayments and don't let buy now, pay later trap you.